Hello everyone and welcome to a new video here. I feel like I have not filmed in a very long time, so pardon me if I'm a little rusty on all this. However, I have my newest Stitch Fix here, which I feel like quite a few of you really enjoy these videos. I am glad because I enjoy doing them. You know, I really don't shop for clothes too much anymore these days. I just enjoy getting my Stitch Fix every other month and have that be my clothing fix. I've been doing it for years, not sponsored. Technically I'm an affiliate. Literally anyone who signs up for Stitch Fix is considered an affiliate because you don't need a YouTube channel or anything to refer your friends, you know? But I do always have my link down below if you would like to check out Stitch Fix yourself. It gets you money off, it gets me money to spend on Stitch Fix clothing. That's pretty much how that works. Stitch Fix, if you haven't heard of it, it's basically an online styling service that you can set up to be kind of like a subscription service, or you can just order it whenever you want. Like I have mine set up to come to me every other month. You can just have it so that you only get a Stitch Fix whenever you ask for it. So if you just want it once a year, that's fine too. It's 20 bucks and your stylist will style you based on your online profile and quiz, your style quiz that you took. You'll get 5 items, can be, you know, clothing, shoes, accessories, pretty much most things fashion. And now they also, well, now I say it like it's this new thing, they do preview where they send you a handful of items. I have a tendency to forget by the time my Stitch Fix get here. Apparently I also have a hard time speaking English, but I have a hard time remembering which pieces I actually chose to get sent to me. I think I only chose 4 out of my 5 items. I think I left the last one up to be kind of a wild card for my stylist to send me. But here was the first offering, this 9 Breton Vivienne tiered dress. I wasn't sure about this. I might have ordered this. I don't remember. Because, like, this would be a cute, like, just simple, basic, like, I could throw something like a really cute detailed cardigan on top of it, or whatever. I don't know how flattering it would be on me. I don't know if it's special enough to pay $45 for it. I don't know. But I might have chosen this one. We then had these Cosmic Blue Love Celine short high-rise pull-on relaxed shorts. I mean, listen, on the right person, these could be real stinking cute. I just don't think I'm the right person. And for almost $80, I just would have a hard time spending that on shorts anyways. So probably definitely passed on those. We have these Mia Opal wedges. Very cute. I am almost positive I chose these. They look like a great nude basic sandal for the summer coming up here. I know she says as she wears a cardigan, but it is on and off. We're having our moments where I've been getting warm, and normally I would say no to something like this because I do have wide feet and the straps don't look stretchy on the part of your foot near your toes where they tend to be the widest. But I've had good luck with Mia shoes before. MIA shoes, I never know how I'm supposed to pronounce it, but I've had good luck with them fitting my wide feet, so I actually do believe I chose these. We have these Democracy Caressa Absolution Capri Skinny Jeans. I don't think I chose these. They're perfectly cute, and like a capri, they're probably gonna be like perfect length pants on me because I'm short. But I just feel like I have plenty of jeans, so I can't imagine why I would have picked these, because I do have plenty of light colored jeans too, but there's that. We have this, I don't know how to pronounce this, Kavia brand set of earrings, the Emma earring set. Not really my style, these earrings, so I passed on them. They're perfectly pretty, but like I said, just not something up my alley. They also presented me with this Seeing Stars drawstring top and pant sleep and lounge set, which honestly I might have chosen if not for that drawstring. I've never understood the drawstring at the bottom of a shirt. I don't know. I don't like things tightened around my tummy. Just personal preference here, but yeah, definitely would have passed on those for that reason. We have this t-shirt that, yes, basic, 9 Breton Levy, not front knit tee, but like, I love a good tie-dye and a good tie knot at the bottom and a plainish kind of t-shirt like this. So I'm pretty sure I bobbled back and forth like, do I do it, do I not? I'm pretty sure I chose this one. Knowing me. We have this dress, very cute. I am I should have chosen this if I didn't. I think it's really cute. I like the color combination of it. You know, we have possibilities. It's a different kind of silhouette for me, but I figured it would be nice to try it. This is from 41 Hawthorne. It's the Asha puff sleeve dress, so we'll see. Like I said, I'm almost positive I chose that to try. We also got this 9 Breton Hobbs ring detail knit tee, you know, similar vein to that tie-dye one, but this one is, you know, it's got the little button at the tie, but aside from that, it's pretty plain for me. So pretty sure I passed on that one. We had this green olive cardigan, very cute. I do love a good cardigan, and I do love the olive green color. I think I passed on it. I might not have though. I definitely bobbled back and forth on this one, whether to keep it or not. It's from the brand Love Ellie, the Ola herringbone knit cardigan. I don't remember if I picked that or not, but either way, those were the things, and I'm curious to remind myself what I have chosen. So they do include a prepaid, pre-stamped mailer bag for any returns or exchanges you need to make. Haha, I see a shoe bag. I got the wedges. We've got our note from our stylist and prices and all of that. And then we have the clothing. Okay, so see, look at me proving myself wrong. I was correct about these two. Forgot about cardigan, but I did apparently choose this. And then I think I requested like a maxi skirt type of a thing, so I'm hoping that's what this is. It looks like it might be promising actually, so very excited. Let's take a look at these things. We have our wedges. Ah, cute. Ugh, they look so narrow though. I just don't know on these, but I think they're very cute. I would really like for them to fit. So time will tell. And then the clothing, let's take a look-see. Like I said, we've got our tie front t-shirt. Very soft, thin, nice material. Will be great for the warmer months. We've got our nice tie-dye and everything. So excited about that. We have our floral dress here. Like I said, just a different silhouette for me to try out, which I'm excited about. It's something I've been enjoying doing lately. So excitement for that. Ugh. Even if this cardigan works, it's got some, looks like a little bit of damage to some of the knit portion here. That won't show up. It's tiny, but like, oh no, this isn't the cardigan. Okay, this is the dress. Aha, see, I don't remember anything. This is that 9 Breton dress. Okay, bummer. I'll have to see if it looks like, because at first it looked like it might be a hole starting or something, but I like that this is kind of a mix between an olive and a taupe. It's nice and soft, feels lightweight. We'll see. We'll see. And then yes, this does, it looks like a skirt. Love the color, this nice terracotta-y kind of an orange. Nice maxi. We've got the buttons going down the front, and then it looks like it's got, I was not expecting this big old pattern at the bottom with this black and white kind of a floral-y to it. I'm into it. All right, all right, all right. A little nervous though. No pockets. Well, that's not what makes me nervous. Sad about no pockets, but it is very sheer. I do wear biker shorts or whatever underneath all my stuff anyways though, so I guess that's really not that big of a deal. I'm excited. Okay, let's try some stuff on. Alright, first things first, we've got on our maxi. It does fit around the waist. Stretchy in the back, so I was able to pull it right on. But then also, as I say that, right on, it's rayon. You guys were zoomed in. Rayon scares me, okay? It doesn't always do the best in the wash, and it can get really wrinkle-crinkled very easy. It's also, I know you can't see it here, but if I have this at the point of my waist where I would normally wear a skirt like this, sorry, I'm all over the place. Do you want to be able to see the whole thing? Probably. But like I was trying to say, if I want to wear it at this point of my waist, I have to be wearing some kind of a platform or heel, because otherwise it's too long on me. There's so much stuff in the way! The plushies, they overfloweth. But can you see? I am standing on a cushion, and even then it's a little bit on the floor. So our moment of truth is going to be putting on these wedges. Do they fit? I'm trying my fat foot first, and this is not promising. They do slide on, but if my feet were to swell even the tiniest bit, which in the summer they do, that strap across the middle of my foot is just gonna be way too tight. Oh, that's a bummer because they fit really good otherwise. And they're really stinking cute. I just would be so scared because they fit me like almost perfectly like this, which like I said means they won't when I get warm, if I'm walking around a lot. But like, see, they make it so that the skirt is the right length. Your girl needs the elevation for this skirt, but I wanted these to work so bad. They're so cute. All right, I am fully aware that this shirt does not go with this skirt, but I need something on my bottom. I mean, this is just a classic Cassie t-shirt. It fits perfect. I love the lower neckline so it can give me some breathing room. It's nice and floaty. It's not clinging to my stomach, but it still has enough form to it that I feel like, you know, it still shows my shape and all of that. And I just like that twist kind of a detail. I don't know, I just think it looks nice and it makes the outfit, you know, a lot more interesting. I also love how long it is. I like my longer t-shirts. So this is very comfy. This is very classically Cassie. I do really like it. All right, the damage is right on the bosom. Can you see it there? I mean, I would definitely exchange this before keeping this. Like, that's about to become a hole real quick. But all right, dress. We have on dress. Dress has pockets. We like that. Looks like it comes pretty much right to my knee. I've only got my viewfinder here to use as a mirror, but I mean, it feels like it fits me. The main question, I guess, is just whether or not it's like special enough. I mean, like I said, I feel like with, you know, the right accessories, some layered necklaces, maybe a cardigan on top, some cute shoes. Can we see? Do we see a vision? Or do we just see Pokemon plushes? I don't know. I just don't know that it's fine. Like, if I found this at Goodwill for like $5, I'd probably buy it. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, jeez. How does one wear a bra with this kind of dress? I think the answer is you don't, and that's a problem for me. And don't talk to me about strapless bras. I think they are so uncomfortable. You will not find me wearing one probably ever. It's a shame because I actually think this kind of like neckline is very cute. Like, I love that it has this very slight V to it instead of just being straight across. I just wish that these could have started like right there so I could still wear bra straps. Cause like, this is fun, right? We got our poofy sleeves. Oh my gosh, did I think this didn't have pockets? I don't remember. This has pockets. Nice. It feels like it fits really well, right? Like, this is cute. Comes to a great spot on my leg. I don't know. There's the back. The back has the stretchy panel here. Like, overall, it's just like something different, but like cute for me. But I would never, like I said, the bra situation just ruins it. So yeah, this is a bummer. If only, if only. So I do. I love the colors, the pockets, the silhouette, but you know, maybe this is a blessing in disguise because, I mean, it is, I'm sure you've been able to hear, it's that kind of rough material that has no breathing room. And being as hot-blooded as I am wouldn't really be the best choice for me. But otherwise, the idea's there. Well, maybe next time. Why is it that trying on clothing, on and off, gets me so hot? I don't know. I will never understand. I hate it. But I guess most activities get me feeling like this, so whatever. I was hoping for a little bit better of a stitch fix in terms of things fitting me and that sort of a thing, but you know, my thing is, as I'm sure you can probably still see here, I'm still doing my closet clean out and everything and trying to be more mindful about the things that I'm buying. So like reminding myself that like, yes, it's a bummer that these things didn't fit my body the way that I wanted them to, but let's keep in mind, I have a closet full of clothes right now that I love and feel fantastic in. I have dresses that I feel super duper cute and fun and flirty and whatever else that other dress I wanted it to make me feel, but it doesn't because of the way that it just fit on my body and that sort of a thing. But that's okay, because I know that I have other options in my closet, you know? So it makes it easier for me to accept that the clothing didn't fit my body. Not my body's fault. Honestly, not the clothing's fault either. It just wasn't a good match. So let's see. I'm honestly not sure. Swear to God, someone's doing banging outside and I can't figure out where it's coming from. It's been going on and off all morning and it's driving me absolutely freaking nuts. So I apologize if you can hear that. Yeah, you ramp it up.
Just stop it for 5 minutes, please.
I'm sorry, I really don't have time to wait for them to stop banging. I have a doctor's appointment I have to get to. So Desiree styled my fix again. I'll just try and speak very loudly so you can only hear my voice. So Desiree styled me again. Thank you, Desiree. I think you do a great job. They said yay, it's my 53rd fix, and they're just excited about seeing how these worked on me. Both of the dresses are standout pieces that can easily transition from casual to more polished. I disagree. I would not wear that olive tiered dress to a special occasion. That's way casual. And that red and orange poofy dress I would say is not casual in the slightest. I would only wear that to like special-ish occasions. But hey, different opinions, that's okay. Then the knot front tee is a great everyday option, and the beige wedges will pair beautifully with both dresses. I agree, for a chic put together look. To complement my picks, they chose that maxi skirt that I was hoping to try, and yeah, it'll be perfect for spring and summer. So I do agree, the idea was there with all of this. It just didn't work out for me. I mean, you saw the pricing and everything when I was going over the preview. The maxi skirt is $74, which like, it would have to be stunning, perfect. I love every single aspect of it. And just because it's 100% rayon, it doesn't have pockets, and the length is a little iffy, slash I would just have to wear like very specific shoes for it to work for me. I can't spend that money on something that's that picky, and like I said, I'm trying to get to a point in my wardrobe where I don't have pieces where it's like, I can only wear this piece if, you know, like if I'm wearing this specific shoe, or if I'm wearing a cardigan over it. Like, I don't want pieces in my wardrobe like that. Like, I want pieces that I feel good in no matter what. So honestly, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna keep that knot front tee. It's 35 bucks, put the $20, you know, my styling fee towards that. I just have to pay an extra 15. I think that's the route that I'm gonna go. You know, if you do get a Stitch Fix and you keep all 5 pieces, you do get 25% off of everything as a whole. So like, if I was to keep everything, it'd be $191.50. But like, I'm not gonna spend that kind of money on clothes that I know I'm not gonna wear ever, if at all, you know? So that's just the way it is. Not all Stitch Fixes can be winners, you know, and that is just fine. So I am going to say yay for personal growth and not keeping clothes that I shouldn't. And yeah, I just hope it was fun for you guys. It was still fun for me to try on these clothes, so I hope you guys had fun joining me. You can certainly let me know if you think I'm making the correct decisions and whatnot in those comments below. You can also let me know how you're doing. You know, is that banging driving you as bonkers as it's driving me? I'm not going to be that crazy person that leans out my window and screams at them. I'm not. So I'm going to keep that internal. And like I said, you guys can leave me comments down below. You can use my referral link if you want, like I said earlier in the video, for Stitch Fix. And just overall, I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can always go ahead and subscribe and tippity tap that notification bell down below. Become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!